Good morning, lovely students. I hope you all are safe and robust at your homes. So, students, in our yesterday class, we have discussed about the journey of Omana, that how she started her journey from Gujarat to Kerala. We have also discussed about different steps to start a journey. For example, the first step was to buy a ticket. But before buying a ticket, we must know about our destination, date on which we are planning our journey, number of people traveling, their age, etc. We have also discussed about different ways to book a ticket. That means we can buy ticket from ticket counter and we can reserve our ticket online also. And after buying ticket, we plan our journey and we do packing and add essential items that are required in our journey in our packing. And I hope you all have done your homework to make a list of things that you can pack during your train journey. So, let's start our today's class. We will discuss the story of Omanas further in our today's class. So, let's start our today's class. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. So as I told you yesterday, जैसा मैंने आपको कल की क्लास में बताया था कि हमें पहले से ही टिकट में मेंशन्ड इंफॉर्मेशन को रिजर्वेशन चार्ट से मैच कर लेना है, सो दैट हम बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के अपनी सीट पर पहुंच सके और इजीली अपनी सीट को ढूंढ सके. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our ticket to see that we were in our proper seat. So, students, when you are on a train journey, there is a man who is called ticket collector. And what is his work? His work is to check the ticket and he check whether the person is sitting on his assigned seat or not. So क्या काम होता है टिकट कलेक्टर का? वो चेक करता है कि जो सीट आपको रिजर्वेशन के टाइम पे अलॉट की गई है, आप उसी सीट पे बैठे हैं या नहीं. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have berths. There are two college students who have the upper berths. On the other berths, there is a family with two children. They seem to be about our age. I will go and talk to them later. So here Omana is telling about their seats. She is saying that Amma and Appa had the lower berth and Unni and I have the middle berth. So students, do you know what is berth? A berth is a bed type seat that you can see inside a compartment of a train. So generally a compartment has 6 berths. See, you can see here just like this. So each coach has many compartments and each compartment has about 6 berths. Berth means a bed type seat. And what is a coach? Coach is one of the separate section of a train that carries passenger. A train generally has 16 to 17 coaches. Okay, and the coach look like this from inside. So now every train has different type of coaches like general coaches, sleeper coaches and AC coaches. So general coach look like this. There is no sleeping arrangement in these coaches. There is only sitting arrangement in these coaches. But if you look here at the sleeper coach, here you can see in each compartment there are 8 seats, 6 on one side and 2 on the other sides, and each seat have bed type structure in which you can easily sleep also. And the third type of coaches are AC coaches. There are 3 types of AC coaches in the train. First AC, second AC and third AC. In the AC coaches, air condition is provided to you to maintain the temperature of the train. There you got lots of other facilities also, like you get curtain here, you get blankets here and some other luxurious items also. Okay. Now students, the different kind of berths in the train are called with the name. Berths are classified as follows. LB is written for lower berth, MB is written for middle berth, UB denotes upper berth, SL denote south lower berth, SM denote side middle berth and SU denote side upper berth. So all the berth have some specific name so that you can easily identify your seat. Whenever you will check your ticket, you can see there, for example, seat number 46 SU. That means you have side upper berth. Got it everyone? So here Omana is explaining that 2 college students were also traveling with them and they were having upper berths, and on the other berths there is a family with 2 children and वो उन्हीं की एज के लगे. So she decided to talk to them later. Now let's move forward. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey just I had promised you. So यहाँ पे उमाना क्या बता रही है राधा को कि मैंने डायरी लिखना शुरू कर दिया है विंडो के पास बैठ के, जैसा मैंने तुम्हें प्रॉमिस किया था. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had picked a lot of food. Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai also. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. So now what she is saying? She is saying that she will stop writing because her amma has opened the tiffin box now. And tiffin को देख के जैसे आपके मुंह में भी पानी आता है ना टेस्टी टेस्टी फूड देख के, so similarly her mouth is also watering after seeing the tasty food that her mother has packed. Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai also. So here you can see that Omana mother has packed dhokla, lemon rice and some mithai. So जब भी आप किसी भी ट्रेन जर्नी पर जाते होंगे, सो आप भी अपने साथ कुछ फूड कैरी करते होंगे. And before deciding which food you want to carry, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that food should not stale fast. So हमें ऐसा फूड चूज करना होता है जो जल्दी खराब नहीं होता या जो ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक चलता है. So here I have prepared a list of things that I can carry in my train journey. We can carry aloo sabji and puri pickles. We can carry dhokla. We can carry lemon rice. We can also carry tamarind rice. We can carry bread butter jam. And we can also carry idli, chutney and more. and I know you must be aware of lot of other things that you can carry or you used to carry during your train journey. So it's your homework. You have to make a list of food item that you can take on your train journey or you usually take when you travel through train. So let's move forward and discuss some question and answers related to the text. So the first question is, why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? So the answer will be, people don't like to wait. Rather, they were in hurry to board or get down the train all at once. So crowded क्यों था? जैसा पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था, क्योंकि लोग वेट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, सभी को जल्दी रहती है, सब चाहते हैं कि मैं सबसे पहले चढ़ जाऊं, मैं सबसे पहले उतर जाऊं. That is why the door was very crowded. So the next question is, have you ever traveled in a train? When? So the answer is, I have traveled in a train many times. My uncle lives in Delhi and I usually go to visit him. So यहाँ मैंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखा है क्योंकि मैंने ट्रेन में बहुत बार ट्रैवल किया है और दिल्ली में मेरे बहुत सारे रिलेटिव्स रहते हैं. सो आई फ्रीक्वेंटली विजिट दिल्ली. आप यहाँ पर अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी लिख सकते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट फूड वुड यू लाइक टू टेक विद यू व्हेन यू ट्रैवल एंड व्हाई? सो यहाँ आप अपनी पसंद का फूड लिखेंगे एंड क्यों आप उसे कैरी करते हैं वो लिखेंगे. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज द टिकट चेकर do? So we have already discussed, the ticket checker check the ticket to see that all the passengers have proper tickets and are occupying correct seats. कई बार हमें करेक्ट सीट का नहीं पता होता बिकॉज हम उन टर्म्स को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते जो हमने आज सीखी हैं, दैट व्हाट डज यू बी मीन्स, व्हाट डज एल बी मीन्स. सो कई बार क्या करते हैं, लोग गलत सीट पर बैठ जाते हैं जिससे वो पूरा अपना सामान सेट कर लेते हैं और बाद में उनको पता चलता है उनकी सीट नहीं है तो उन्हें बहुत प्रॉब्लम का सामना करना पड़ता है. या फिर उस सीट का जो असली पैसेंजर है वो जब आ जाता है तब भी उन्हें वो सीट एकदम से वैकेंट करनी पड़ती है. सो दैट टाइम दे फेस प्रॉब्लम. सो इसीलिए टिकट चेकर का क्या काम होता है, वो चेक करता है कि सारे पैसेंजर्स के पास प्रॉपर टिकट है या नहीं, कोई विदाउट टिकट तो नहीं ट्रैवल कर रहा और सभी ने करेक्ट सीट चूज की है या नहीं. ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ विल यू रिकॉग्नाइज द टिकट चेकर? आप कैसे पहचानेंगे कि वो टिकट चेकर ही है जो आपसे टिकट की डिमांड कर रहा है. सो अ टिकट चेकर वोर ब्लैक कोट. आपको हमेशा टिकट चेकर ब्लैक कोट में दिखाई देगा. देयर इज अ नेम टैग ऑन हिज चेस्ट. उसके चेस्ट पे एक टैग लगा होता है, उसका नेम टैग, जिसमें उसकी नेम और डेजिग्नेशन लिखा होता है. देयर इज अ बैच ऑन बोथ ऑफ हिज शोल्डर शोइंग टीटी. उसके दोनों ही शोल्डर पे आपको बैच भी दिखाई देगा एंड उस बैच पे TTE लिखा होता है. एंड व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ TTE? ट्रैवलिंग टिकट एग्जामिनर. मतलब जो हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं उसकी टिकट को एग्जामिन जो करता है, मतलब चेक करता है, TTE, ट्रैवलिंग टिकट एग्जामिनर. आपने देखा होगा ना, जब भी कोई ट्रेन में टिकट चेक करने आता है तो हम बोलते हैं TT आ गया, TT आ गया. सो हम E को स्किप कर देते हैं. द करेक्ट वर्ड इज TTE and the full form of TT is traveling ticket examiner. Got it everyone? So आज के क्लास में हम इतना ही डिस्कस करेंगे. आगे की स्टोरी हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.